What's up guys, Popasole back at it. First off, I want to apologize for taking so long to upload another video. You know, I've been out here, I've been getting this money. I've been at work a lot. All I've done is work. I barely have any time for myself now. Sorry about that. Barely have any time for myself now. But we're gonna get straight to it on this video. Here I have a pair of 2009 anniversary 2's, which I'm doing for a friend. Now you can see these are kind of cooked. You know, got scuffs. They're from 09, so and their anniversary. So you know, you got a little bit of yellowing there. I don't know if you can see that. Yellowing here, scuffs there, paint chipping, dirty bottom, as well as the other pair. You know, creases. We're gonna get all of this done. You know, Popasole is gonna work his magic. We're gonna get all of this out, and I'm gonna walk y'all through the process. So today should be short and simple. Hope y'all like this video. Hope y'all stick to the end, and let's get to work. Alright guys, so as always, we're gonna insert the shoe trees, which I've already done to this shoe right here. As y'all can see, makes a big difference. Gets the form out. These are called creased. These look better. Now this always helps for keep maintaining the proper shape of the shoe, so you can get into deep crevasses and whatnot, getting the perfect paint job or deep cleaning into it. It really helps a lot. We're just going to be using this warm water and a little bit of soap, using this Crep Protect brush. Once they're nice and dry, we're going to start stripping the paint with acetone and cotton swabs. Then we're going to start painting it. We're going to lay down about 6-7 layers of paint. It's a Friday night, I have nothing else to do, so we're going to get right to it. So the shoes are cleaned and stripped now. I went ahead and stripped the paint. This shoe still has cracking, so whereas this one, it has been fully stripped. So we're gonna let this one dry out because I cleaned this one more recently, and we're gonna move on to laying down the layers of paint. Alright, so at this point, all the paint has been stripped from both midsoles. Now we're gonna repaint it. The scuffs have been taken out, the scuffs on the back. All we have to do now is repaint it, lay down a couple layers of paint, secure it with the Crep Protect after cleaner and some matte finisher. So it's pretty easy restoration. Once you get everything out, it makes it look a lot better, 100 times better even. So we're gonna finish that, and then I'll show y'all what the finished product looks like. Okay, so uppers have been taped off. Now we just need to tape these off and paint these as well. And after that, we're going to be done, and we're going to try to take off the creases, if y'all can see that. Try to take off the creases. So the paint we're going to be using is Angeles flat white acrylic leather paint, and with this paint we're going to lay down about 6 to 7 coats on each shoe. So we're going to try to get over it and try to finish it as quick as possible, and then we're going to try to take out these creases right here. Alright, so I'm gonna get started. Alright guys, so both shoes are repainted now. And this is what we're gonna go outside to spray it with. It's a matte finisher. It seals the paint and prevents it from cracking when wearing. So we're gonna go outside and we're gonna spray this. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and try to take the creases out. See if you can see that. All these creases, we're gonna use a damp towel and an iron to take it out. Alright guys, so after a couple of hours and getting a little bit high from the paint toxins and the acetone, we finally finished. This is finished project. It's been repainted. So I did repaint as well as these. Get that out the way. So I've also been repainted. Alright, so after I finished repainting it, I added this matte finisher to seal in the paint so it won't crack anytime soon. It's a matte finisher. So now we're done, and Alright, so now that concludes the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I spent a couple hours on this paint job, so I hope y'all enjoyed it and watched to the very end. So I'm just gonna add the shoelaces to these, and they're gonna go back to the customer. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. I'm out.